Good morning, students. Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the story is The First Step. Now, let's move to the story Education for All is the slogan of the day. But there are some parents who think that education for a girl child is not necessary, it is of no use because one day they will go to their father-in-law's house. So why waste of money? Why should we waste money for her education? They think that they are born for others. So we should not spend money for their education. This notion is still going on in the mind of the people. Oh, here is a question. Do you think all the parents are very conscious about sending their girl children to school or very conscious about their girl kids education? Actually, no. Some parents are still in the old thoughts. Discuss this with your friend. Now read the story. The first step to know the writer's view on girls' education. So the text. Amu is a girl. Amu, wake up and make tea for me. Somebody said. What did somebody say? Amu, wake up. Amu, उठे and make tea for me. ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଚାହା କରେ. A hand roughly shook the 10 years old girl awake. That means Amu was sleeping. Somebody woke him up by shaking her and said. That means a hand roughly somebody woke up Amu from her sleep. ତାର ନିଦରୁ କିଏ ଜଣେ ହାତରେ ହଲେଇ ଉଠେଇ ଦେଲା. ଟୁ ହୁମ୍? ଟୁ ଅମୁ, ରାଇଟ୍? So saying, what did the man say? Amu, wake up and make tea for me. ଉଠେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଚାହା ତିଆରି କରେ. Could understand who said whom? Amu yawned. Yes, Amu woke up. Amu ଉଠିଲା, yawned, ହାଇ ମାରିଲା and rubbed up the sleep from her eyes. ଆଉ ତାର ଆଖିକୁ ମନ୍ତି ନିଦ ଛଡ଼ାଇଲା. ଆଖିକୁ ନିଦ ପୋଛି ମନ୍ତି ନିଦ ପୋଛିଲା. She rose with a sigh. Who rose? Amu. Rose with a rise, rose rise, ଉଠିଲା. She rose, ଉଠିଲା with a sigh. ଗୋଟେ ଦୀର୍ଘ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ପକେଇ ଉଠିଲା and took the vessel of milk, ପାତ୍ର, କ୍ଷୀର ପାତ୍ର. Her father held out. ତା ବାପା କ୍ଷୀର ପାତ୍ର ବଢ଼ଉଥିବା କ୍ଷୀର ପାତ୍ରକୁ ନେଲା. That means you could understand who woke up Amu. Amu's father woke up Amu from sleep and asked her to make tea for him. He held out the vessel of milk and gave it to Amu. Her eyes watered from the smoke that came out as she blew on the flame. Her eyes watered from the smoke. ତାର ଆଖିରୁ ପାଣି ବୋହିଲା. From the smoke that came out the blew on the flame. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସିଏ ଝାସକୁ ନିଆଁକୁ ଫୁଙ୍କିଲା, ସେଇ ଧୂଆଁ ବାହାରି ସେଇ ଧୂଆଁରେ ତା ଆଖିରୁ ଲୁହ ବାହାରିଲା. ତାଠି ସେ ନିଆଁ ଫୁଙ୍କୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ସେଥିରୁ ବାହାରୁଥିବା ଧୂଆଁରେ ତାର ଆଖିର ଲୁହ ଆସିଯାଇଥିଲା. Come outside, I want to talk to you, he ordered. ତ ସେ କହିଲେ, ତୁ ଟିକେ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସେ ଅମୁ, ମୋର ତୋ ସହିତ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଅଛି. He ordered, ସେ ଆଦେଶ ଦେଲେ. That means who ordered? Father ordered. What did father say? Father asked Amu to come outside because he had something to say to Amu. Amu carried the glass of tea अमु चा ग्लासटा नेला एंड फॉलोड एर फादर बापा को पछे पछे गला yesterday evening I learned that here almost father is saying yesterday evening I learned that the new owner will be coming any day to occupy the house बापा कहले जे मु शुणिया पाउची जानिया पाइली जे ए नुआ मालिक दिने दी दिन भितर ए घर को आसुचंती he began I was asked if a reliable maid would work there मते पचराई किए जड़े विश्वस्त चाकराणी एटारे काम करिबो कि एंड आई सजेस्टेड योर नेम एट वंस आउ मो संगे संगे व्हेन आई वाज आस्क्ड आई सजेस्टेड योर नेम मते जेतल पचारा गला मु सेतल तो नांडा कहिदेली हु सेड इट द फादर सेड ऑल दीज थिंग्स टू अमु दैट मीन्स द फादर wanted Amu to work as maid servant to the new owner. Next. Amu's father Chellepa was Amu's father was the watchman at the big house on the hill. पहाड़ उपरे थिबा बड़ बंगलार बड़ घरर ये होचंती जे जगुआल राइट प्रहरी The owner had died a couple of months ago. 2 मास पूर्व यार मालिक मर जाइतिले and they had heard that semane sunitile je he had left the house to her sister's daughter आउ सी तार भौणीर झील ना घरटा छाड़ी देली शुणुले द पीपल इन दि नेबरहुड वांटेड से पड़ोसी से लोक माने से जगार पड़ोसी लोक मैंने आश्चर्य व्हेन दि न्यू ओनर वुड कम टू लिव देयर केबे ए नुआ मालिक सेटारे बसवास करने को आसो लोक मैंने भावुले नुआ मालिक केते केबे से नुआ घर को रहा आसवे यही कथा से पड़ोसी लोक मैंने भावुले द मनी विल बी यूज टू देयर एंड almost father said the money will be useful Chellepa said thoughtfully as he sipped his tea से तांकर चाह पी से कहले the money will be used money which money the money he would earn सी उपार्जन करवा पैसाटा दरकार पड़ो एंड अमु आस्क्ड व्हाई अमु आस्क्ड क्यूरियसली उत्सुक तार सहित पचारा व्हाई Amu's father said because I need money to send Chini to school. Chini Amu's brother. So Amu's father said कहले जे मो चिनी के स्कूल को पाठ पढ़ाइबा पठेबा सकाशे ए पैसा आवश्यक हेर फादर रिप्लाइड कार्टली सीधा सड़क बापा कहले कठोर सहित कहले Chini is Amu's little brother. Could understand who was Chini? Chini was Amu's little brother. What about me? Who asked? Amu asked. Our more विषय more पाठ पढ़ा. I would like to go to school too. मु मध्य स्कूल जीवाको चाहूँची. Amu said. Could understand? So you are only a girl. Amu's father said. तू तो बड़े झियोटा. अब व्हाट यूज विल एजुकेशन बी टू यू तो पे ये जो शिक्षाटा कौन लोड़ा कौन यू विल गेट मैरिड इवेन बिफोर यू फिनिश द थर्ड ग्रेड तू तो बाहु इमिति कि तृतीय ग्रेड स्तर समाप्त करने पूर्व तू बाहु देन व्हाट इज नेसेसिटी टू हैव एजुकेशन चिनी will get a good job if he is educated. चिनी जदि भल पाठ पढ़ो ताले चाकरी खंडे पाइब हेर फादर रिटर्टेड दोहराई कहले जोर देकर कहले कुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट मीन्स almost father was against the education of Amu. Age Amu was a daughter. Amu was a girl. Could understand? Next, Amu turned away to hide her tears. That means tears rolled down from Amu's eyes. आखिर लुह झरीगला. When father expressed his reluctance for his education, तार शिक्षा पाई से जतला मनोना करदेले, it hurt Amu a lot. ताको बहुत बाधिला and tears rolled down from her eyes. ता आखिर लुह गड़ीगला. Amu turned away टिके बुली पड़ला to hide her tears. लुचिया पाई तार आखिर लुह लुचिया पाई से बुली पड़ला. She wished that her mother was alive. She सेतळे ही चिंता माने भाबिला. से भाविला कौन मो माँ आज बंची थांते कि सी वुड नॉट हैव अलाउड चेल्लेपा टू स्पीक सो अनकेयरिंगली वे तो जदि बंची थांते ए चेल्लेपा माय फादर से यही बड़ी गोटे अनकेयरिंगली गोटे कथाटी कही पारि न थांते और तांको कहबाको सुजोग दे न थांते दैट मीन्स हु वुड नॉट हैव अलाउड ना इफ मदर वुड हैव अलाइव सी वुड नॉट हैव अलाउड चेल्लेपा to speak so uncaringly, so rudely. Her mother would have let Amu go to school. Ta maa हुए तो ताको school जियाऊ देइतंदा at least अति कम to learn the alphabet. माने वर्ण अक्षर गंडा शिक्षा पे at least ताको school छाड़ी तंदा. Anu thought it with his eyes full of tears. Amu, father said again. Bapa कहले I will be busy all day at the big house. दिन सारा मुझे बड़ा महल्ला रे व्यस्त रही काम देर एट 9 o'clock टू क्लीन द हाउस 9टार आसे घरटा सफा करिया को 9टा सकाळ 9टार घरटा सफा करिया को 9टार आसे आई वांट द न्यू ओनर टू गेट ए गुड इंप्रेशन मु चाहूची जे ए जो नुआ मालिक आम ऊपर गोटे भल मनोभाव रखंतु पांतु But before that you clean our house. किन ताप पर you clean our house. आमो घर डाको सफा कर दे. चेल्लेपा said. Amu's father said. Could I understand who said? Chellepa said. What did Amu's father say? Amu's father said. Amu to clean their house first and go to the big house to clean it to get the good impression of the new owner. Amu cleaned their home, which was a room in the servants' quarter. servant quarter रे गोटे रूम डा जोटा कि सेमानकर घर सेटा सफा कला आप दी बिग हाउस बड़ महलार सर्वेंट क्वार्टर गोटे रूम जोटा कि अमु एवं ता परिवार घर ही क्लीन इट हु क्लीन इट अमु क्लीन इट द रूम सी वाश्ड ऑल द क्लॉथ्स सबुजा लुगापटा सफा कला बिफोर हैविंग एर होन बाथ सी निजे गाधा पूर्व सब लुगापटा सफा कला हु अमु वाश्ड ऑल द क्लॉथ्स बिफोर हैविंग एर होन बाथ सी पैक्ड हर फादर्स लंच ता बापांकर ये मध्याह्न भोजन पैक कला घोटना पैक कला एंड वाक्ड टू बिग हाउस आउ से बड़ महला आड़ को आगेला तो चली चली गला. नाउ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. हु आर द कैरेक्टर्स इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी राइट. तो चेल्लेपा Amu's father, Amu, his brother Chinni, and the owner of the house are the characters in this part of the story. Describe Amu's house and family. Yes, the family. Amu was a poor, motherless girl. She had her father Chellepa and her only brother Chinni. The family of these three or the family had hard times to have their livelihood and basic needs. That means the family was poor. Who was Chelapa? What did he tell Amu? Chelapa was Amu's father. He asked Amu that she would be working as a maid servant in the new house under a new owner. Next, did Amu want to go to school? Yes, Amu wanted to go to school. How did her father react to Amu's wish to go to school? But father expressed his reluctance to send Amu to school because he believed that the education for a girl child is of no use. So again, she would be again she would go to her father-in-law's house even before he completes before she completes third grade. So next, she would be married before she finished the third grade. This was the notion of her father. So he was reluctant to send her to school to learn. Next question is 5. Do you think Amu's father would send her to school? Yes, no, I don't think. I don't think that Amu's father would send Amu to school to learn. And with this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the unit 2 in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.